Assalamu alaikum. So children, today I am going to wind up this chapter by covering the last part of this story. So up till now we have seen that how American naturalists control the whole situation without informing the guest about the cobra. Okay. So now let's move further and see that what he do later. Okay. I want to know just what control everyone at this table has. I will count 300, that 5 minutes, and not one of you is to move a muscle. Those who move will forfeit 50 rupees. Ready? So the American naturalist says that to the guest that I am going to play a game with you, and the game was that I will count for 5 minutes. I will count up to 300, and you don't have to move a muscle. Means you don't have to move your body. You have to remain still up to 5 minutes, and those who move will forfeit 50 rupees. Ready? So he says, and those who move their muscles, means who move from their position, they have to give 50 rupees as a fine. So he asks, are you ready for the game? So the voice of the American was so arresting that it sobered everyone in the room, and they all got ready to play the game. The 20 people sit like stone images while he counts. He is saying 280. When out of the corner of his eyes he sees the cobra emerge and slither out of the room. Screams ring out as he jumps to slam the veranda door safely shut. So all the 20 people who are present there, they sit like stone images, means they sit like statues, and the American starts counting. So he just says 280. When out of the corner of his eyes he sees the cobra emerge and slither out of the room. So he saw, then when he reached up to 280, he saw that the cobra emerged out and he slither means रेंगना, that the cobra slither out of the room. रेंगते हुए वो room से निकल गया. Screams ring out as he jumps to slam the veranda door safely shut. Screams means everybody starts shouting, and the American jumps to slam the door safely shuts. Here the word slam. Slam means to shut the door forcefully. So when the cobra went out from the main gate, the American naturalist moved forward and he shut the door forcibly. And after seeing that cobra, all the people start shouting. You are right, Colonel, the host exclaims. A man has just shown us an example of perfect control. So after seeing all this, the host of the party, means Mr. Weens, says to the colonel that, Colonel, you are right. That man has just shown us an example of perfect control. That man really have the power of self-control. Means that man can control the situation better than a woman. So after seeing the performance of the American naturalist, he passes this remark, because really he controlled the whole situations very perfectly. Just a minute, the American says, turning to his hostess, Mrs. Weens, how did you know that cobra was in the room? But the American says, hey, wait for a minute. So he turned towards the hostess, Mrs. Weens, and he asked her, how did you know that cobra was in the room? So American asked to Mrs. Weens that how did you know that there was a cobra in the room? A faint smile lights up the woman's face as she replies, because it was crawling across my foot. Here the word faint. Faint means slight, a light smile. So the woman passes a slight smile, a little smile, and she says that because the cobra was crawling on my foot, means the cobra was crawling on her foot. So as the cobra was moving across her foot, so this shows that this lady was really a courageous lady, and she has also shown that woman can also be an example of showing perfect control. So finally it was proved by the hostess of the party that women also have the self-control. They can also control any situation or any crisis in their own way, just like the men. So it was proved that women are also as courageous as the men, but the way to deal the particular situation was different, maybe different. Here the performance of the hostess was really remarkable, as she knew that the cobra was moving on her foot, but she controlled the whole situation so courageously that nobody even know about that. She remained so calm during the whole situation, and she even don't create any commotion, because she knew that if she create commotion, the cobra will strike or hurt anybody. So just for the sake of all the guests, she even don't care about her own life. She even knew that her life was also in danger, but she even controlled the whole situation. She don't care about her life, and she handled the whole situation really in a wonderful way. So children, we should also try to develop such type of qualities in ourselves too, because if we have such type of qualities, means if we have the self control or the self confidence, then we can also handle any type of situation or any type of crisis in our life very easily, and these qualities make us a perfect human being. I hope the chapter is clear to all of you. So go through these videos once again. Allah Hafiz.